morning. How's everybody doing? This is Joston Michael. This is Spot Guide LA. We're gonna be checking out Griffith Park. Let's have a good day.
All right, cut.
Try and put the...
I'm gonna leave you here.
Hey, it's a You ever wanna get tetanus, dude? That's the spot right there. First spot on the list is definitely this awesome DIY to Jersey barrier. The amount of tricks that have been done on this is endless. My favorite, I will go half to head and say it is Franky Villani's front board to kick flip out. Transition is insane. That transition shoots you up really quick.
Show me the best trick you got on this.
Hey, fuck yeah, dude! Yes! Oh, I'm gonna shit my pants with that one. So there are two of these insanely gnarly banks. Joston Park did tray flip, nose manny, and drop down to needle. I do that. That is insane. This is so skinny. Hello! The view from the top, very, very deceptive. Here's the top from the second bank. Hit that, drop in. That thing shoots you so fast. Looks like people have possibly been waxing this up. Maybe hitting that at Mach 12. All right, I just found these gloves. We're gonna go have some fun with it.
Do the viewers know you're being filmed by a hobbit?
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Sponsor me, Skittles.
I feel like usually you find a snack at the spot.
Where's the snacks at?
Pine cone?
Okay, let's try it.
Behind you.
The big one.
Oh, the big one.
Protein snack for you here at Griffith. Oh, it tastes like sawdust and grandfather's. You can also skate this bank with your Ford F-150 too. From the ditch down to the bottom here. Bank to ledge on the right. Dope sister bank to ledge on the left. These banks are a lot steeper than they look.
Hey, do a trick on this thing.
On that?
Yeah, do a kickflip back nose blunt. Holy shit, was that first try?
Dude, my fucking pants fell off.
Holy shit, where'd your pants go?
Titanic. Watch out for falling trees when you're skating here. This thing just dropped in front of me. If you're creative enough, you can, what the fuck is that? Is that a horse? You hop in right here, you can teleport to the other side of the park. So check it out. And I have no idea where the hell I'm at right now. Let's check out what's on the other side of the park. We got a bank to ledge, an iconic tree that you can skate over, and then we have the really famous kind of curved ledge, the awesome bank to ledge right here. And dear friend that has since passed, Dylan did a line here in Minefield. He did blunt, shove out. Yeah, so like I said, you used to be able to hit this a little bit easier. Everything's a little bit lower now. Look at this Bondo. Wow, I love checking out all the Bondo at the OG spot. And then right up there, it's hard to see, is the last spot, the iconic curved ledge that you can shoot out on. A lot of things have been done here. It hasn't been skated in a while. Looks like we still got a lot of the drainage coming off. Look at this Bondo. Oh, the classic Bondo. So I have a couple favorite tricks that have been done that Kevin Spanky Long did, is he did frontside flip, treating it like a Euro gap. Also, Kevin White, front blunt, front shove out. So sick. I'll show you a better angle at this thing so you can see how steep it is. That is a wall right there, baby. Dylan Reeder, also in Minefield, back tail, backside flip out. A jumbo push pop. All right, so that's it. We saw everything we have here. Let me know if you want to see. Oh, Jesus, fuck. That is it. Thank you for checking this out with us. Oh, I gotta go back home. I gotta go.